The next topic that we are going to cover in this video is an important topic. After Ohm's law, the topic that we are going to do in this video is deduction of Ohm's law. Now, what was Ohm's law? Ohm's law was V is equal to IR, where R is known as resistance. The other name for this deduction of Ohm's law is relation of resistance in terms of electron density, that is N, relaxation time, that is tau, length of conductor, area of cross section, mass and charge of electron. So either the question would be directly that deduce Ohm's law, or like this, derive a relation of resistance in terms of electron density, relaxation time, length, area of cross section, mass and charge of electron. Now how we are going to start it? Suppose there is a conductor of length L. V is the potential difference applied across the ends of conductor. Now you know this relation, E is equal to V by L, as this relation was very helpful in the chapter of capacitors. E is equal to V by L. It was derived from E is equal to dV by dr. Also, you know this formula, drift velocity is equal to E tau divided by m. Now if you substitute value of E in second, substituting first and second, what you get? Vd equal to EV tau by ml. Now you know this relation, I is equal to NEA Vd. Now put the value of Vd in I. So when you put the value of Vd in I, what you get? I is equal to NEA, Vd is EV tau divided by ml. Now if you cross multiply I towards this side and rest towards other side, you get V by I is equal to m by L Ne square tau A. Now if you remember, V by I is equal to R. So this whole value can be termed as R. So R has a different formula in microscopic components, that is ml Ne square tau by A. This is known as deduction of Ohm's law, or relation of resistance in terms of these microscopic components.